Are you an inventory manager, compliance manager, CFO, or cannabis business owner struggling to compliantly clean up your Metrc without sparking an investigation from regulators? Maybe you're even in a messy situation right now where you know something is wrong, you just don't know what that something is. Well, good news, you're in the right place. If you don't know me already, hey, I'm Bri. I'm a cannabis compliance expert and cannabis business owner. Over the past 7 years, I have served as an expert litigation auditor, protecting businesses from losing their licenses, and have even brought cannabis businesses back from the brink of being shut down permanently. In this special 1-hour masterclass, you will have my proven method to identify Metrc violations and how to correct them without sparking an investigation. By the end of the masterclass, you will walk away with my exact blueprint that regulators love to see. Everything from an audit roadmap, projecting labor hours, SOPs to ensure the business does not get into this situation again, and a comprehensive audit report able to explain every single discrepancy in your inventory. So if you want a bulletproof method to audit, clean, and proactively prevent future discrepancies from occurring in the first place, click the button below to register for my live 1-hour webinar. Once when you register for the masterclass, you will receive a confirmation email and a few reminder emails before the event. If you are unable to make the live event, you will receive a replay of the webinar. So if you are a cannabis professional looking to get your time back and get back into Metrc compliance ASAP, click the button below to register for my masterclass. I hope to see you on the other side.